Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
Am I
sir.
audible? Is it clear? Audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
In
Clear.
the last class, we are discussing that while charging, mass of a body will change. Okay.
Yes.
Say, for
Yes.
example, this is Q. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose we keep here, this is V1, V2. See, this is Q1, this is Q2. Now you can see if V1 is greater than V2, charge flow takes place.
Yes, sir.
So this will have a charge, there won't be further charge, and both potentials will be same. No more flow of charge. Here this is charge flow, no?
Yes, sir. Charge flow.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you can see the first body, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Shall I go ahead? This is the last
Yes.
thing.
Yes. Sir,
The next
one
thing.
doubt. Sir,
Tell you.
in last class, sorry, sir, I forgot to ask that thing. Sir, in last class, in one example, that spherical body, sir, spherical shell example,
Hmm.
in that that shell initially had no charge,
Yes.
and we told potentially zero. Why, sir?
Hmm.
That point I didn't understand,
No,
sir.
no. A potential of a body depends upon the charge on that. And I told you we have a separate chapter on potential. So I am just reviewing what all the things that you come across. Okay, potential you have a separate chapter. Similarly, forces and charges you have a separate chapter. Okay, so we
Yes.
learn that potential of a body depends upon its charge. If charge is zero, automatically its potential should be zero. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
we will come across all this shortly. Wait.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now remember temperature plays the same role as potential. Higher temperature to lower temperature, what will flow? Thermal energy flows. High
Yes.
potential to low potential, what will flow? Charge will flow.
Charge.
Understood this? See, charge is context. What is the meaning of that?
Sir. Mm,
Okay.
yes, sir.
See, integral multiple. For example, in India, we have what is the minimum currency in India we have? Minimum.
Sir, 5 rupee.
One
5 rupee.
one rupee.
Yes. 1 rupee.
By 25 paise coin, they are not, it's not there right now. Not.
They're there, but not
50 paise, RBI told you it's not there. Huh?
Not in, they are not in
No,
sync,
no.
sir.
Definitely acceptance is the public issue, but RBI will be giving a declaration that so and so things will not be taken by the banks. But however, the 25 NP is still accepted. It should be accepted in the bank. Otherwise, you can take a declaration from the bank manager. We are not going to accept this, and you can file a complaint against him with the RBI. Okay, anyhow, that means suppose for example 25 NP is minimum. That means I cannot ask for 12.5 NP in India, no? That is not existing. So this is called as quantization. That means you want to take, just note on this, I'll turn the page and explain when quantization comes. Note on this.
Yes. No, noted, sir. Noted.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose this is one person. This is one ladder. Now he is another person. If you observe these two, A can take, go left, right, yeah, jump, anything he can do now. He can keep the
Yes, sir.
step anywhere. His foot can be kept anywhere. That means he can take any step now.
Yes, sir. We can.
B, B cannot keep his foot here or here or here. Why? He'll fall down now.
He will fall down. Yes, sir.
That means B can take only this step either here or here. That means he can take only these values that are given by the ladder now. If the ladder has another step here, he can use that. That means the steps taken by B depends upon what is given by the ladder now.
Yes, sir.
The steps
Depends.
that B takes up depends upon the values that are given by the ladder or not. Suppose there's
Yes,
another step here for the ladder, he can keep his step here. Another here, he can keep his step here. Do you agree till here?
agree, sir. Agree.
Follow
He
this or
can.
not? Whereas A can take any step anywhere now. If you observe carefully, what is the difference between these two?
Mm. Sir, A is very free. A can move freely. They can take any
See,
step.
remember, B is binded to ladder now.
Yes, sir. Binded to ladder.
A is free. So I
Okay.
can say that whenever any particle is binded to any other system, the particle can take values given by the system. It cannot take whatever value it wants. For example, you're in your house, man. You can go to washroom, you can go to bedroom, you can go to kitchen, you can move. There's no restrictions. Suppose you come to college, can you go and sit on the director's chair? Huh?
No, sir. We can't.
Because there is a classroom for you, you have to sit in that class, there is a washroom for your section. Your movements are restricted, you should go out at so and so time. You cannot go and sit on principal's chair and vice principal's chair. No? Why? Because you are binded to the college rules and regulations, you are binded to it. So whatever they dictate, you have to accept that. Suppose you finish your MS college, you went to say IIT, then you need not follow the rules of the college, no? Then you have to follow the rules of the IIT because you are binded to that. Similarly, if you go and join an organization, you are binded to that organization. You don't want to follow those organization rules or they are not relaxing or the rules are not convenient to you, can leave it. But whenever you are binded to a system, you should accept the values given by the system. That is only quantization principle. Understood this? So remember that here the electrons are binded to the nucleus. So it has to take only, it can be staying in first orbit or second orbit or third orbit like that. It cannot take whatever values it can. Can you take an electron stay in between the orbits?
No, sir. We can't.
It cannot. So that is the reason why we say charge is quantized means it can always charge always exists as integral multiples of some minimum value. Understood this or not?
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Clear, sir.
So this is proved, but Who proved this?
Sir, sir, don't know, sir. Uh, sir.
You come across it?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Remember, sir, remember. Chemistry. Yes.
In chemistry, you come across this too.
Sir, this was not taught, but I remember, sir, in textbook. Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. 1 minute, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Complete.
See, actually, you have charges like this. They are called as quarks. However, understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir,
So that means you cannot have only plus one by three is not possible. What will happen is three quarks will be combining together. You will get one,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will get.
That means you cannot have this quark in free state. They're always obtained in combined state. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So,
Completed?
1 minute, sir. And sir.
yes, sir. Done, sir.
You suppose this is body Q1, this is Q2. So this is V1, this is V2. When you connect this, charge will flow. So finally, what will happen?
So potentially will become same. Flow, no flow of charge. Yes.
So remember that the charge is always constant. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
One
one
minute.
minute. Can you
Yes.
show the previous page? Done, sir. You can tell.
Shall I turn this?
Sir. 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Now you can see that Understood this?
Yes, sir. So this speed means speed of the body, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Speed, its speed, I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Understood. Understood. Yes, sir.
Suppose a body has 10 coulombs of charge when on ground. Even if the charge, the body is kept in a train also, it has same charge.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
For example, this is a body. It is a charge Q. Now the same observer keeps this body on some cart. This is V. Then for this observer, velocity of this body with respect to O is 0.
Zero.
Okay.
Yes,
Charge is same only, no?
Charge is same, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Charge is
The velocity of A with respect to O
Is
is
V.
V. Still charge is Q only, no?
Yes, sir. Still charge is Q.
Now simple common sense, sir, how you are telling all these stories. Yes. Remember, electron moves faster or proton moves faster?
So electron.
Electron is moving faster, you know that. Okay. But
Yes.
charges are same, no? For proton and electron.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Charges are.
That means charge is independent of speed, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Charge is
If
independent.
charge depends upon spin, the speed of the electron or charges, definitely no matter will be neutral, no? Because electrons are moving faster, means the charge will be different from that of proton. So neutrality of atom will vanish, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Should have to. Yes, sir.
Return this.
So, 1 minute, sir, please. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
What will happen?
So, the neutrality of atom vanishes.
You agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree. Yes, sir.
See, suppose this is a length L. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here lambda is called
linear charge density.
Similarly, this is surface.
Q by A.
Q by A.
Aerial charge density.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute, 7.
Okay.
Finished this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
See, Einstein has proved in his theory of relativity that mass of a body changes. For example, mass of a body is m naught by root over
1 minus v square by c square.
okay here
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
V is very small compared to c. C is speed of light.
yes,
Understood this?
yes. Understood.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Mm. Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this? See, similarly, you have this is actually called length contract. Understood this?
Mm. So,
Length
yes,
also changes, called length contract or Lorentz contraction we call. So what happens when length changes? Definitely charge density.
increases. Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
understood this?
Yes, sir. So one doubt, sir.
Tell.
So with the increase of speed, length decreases or increases, sir?
Speed increases, what will happen? Length will decrease. Then only charge density will increase now.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Now only I read that, sir.
Hmm.
Understood, sir. Understood. Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Completed?
Please. One. Yes, completed. Complete.
These are all properties of charges. And a charge at rest. Suppose it's a charge Q. Velocity is 0. So it produces, suppose this charge, same charge, is having a velocity, but this is constant. What is the meaning of that? That means acceleration is 0.
Yes, sir.
And in addition to this, see, this I think you learned in chemistry. Whenever the electron is in some specified orbit, it cannot radiate energy. If it is not in that specified orbit, it will be radiating energy or not.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever the electron jumps from one orbit to other during the transition only, it will be emitting energy. But when it is in the orbit, it won't. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
That is what Bohr has all that you learned. Okay, anyhow, these are the basic things that happens. So
Sir,
the field produced by charge at rest is called as electrostatic field. Tell.
sir, you mean in these orbits they have
Pardon?
constant velocity?
Pardon?
Sir, in this orbits, no, sir.
Hello?
Sir, in Bohr's orbit, no, sir. In that,
Hmm.
electrons have constant velocity. Means,
The electrons have constant speed.
yes, sir. Sir. Understood, sir. Clear.
That's why Bohr's theory is not correct now.
Yes, sir.
It has again been modified by Sommerfeld now.
Yes, sir.
First Thomson has given one thing, that watermelon model. After that, Bohr modified that. After that, it was modified by Sommerfeld. That Sommerfeld has taken this quantum mechanics and explained. Schrodinger wave equation, all that you studied now. We don't go into all those details till now. We'll go that in last chapter, atomic structure, we'll see. Right
Yes, sir.
now, what are the properties of charges? I want to just explain you.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely.
Minutes, 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Hey, turn the page once. Sir,
Tell me, man.
please turn this page once, sir.
Let others write, man. Wait. Complete, man.
Yes, sir.
This one you mean to say?
Yes, sir. Okay, done.
See. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, suppose a neutral body. Now, if you bring a charge Q near this, what will happen?
Charge will be transferred to the neutral.
Charge will not be transferred, remember. There will be polarization of charges. See, actually, what happens is in this body, these electrons, no, sorry, protons, no, these
Yes,
are
sir.
all electrons, no. See, this is the
Yes.
electron, is electron. The center of electrons. Now, when you bring this, what happens when you bring an external charge here? Remember that the center of this will be the center of negative charge. What is this center of?
Center of nature.
So this is what you call in your chemistry as a dipole. Understood this?
Yes,
So
sir.
just like center of mass, because electrons are distributed in separate orbits, no? So you have center of negative charge, same like this only. Suppose if you take this Q1 into R1 bar, this electron into R2 bar, if you take that, that will exactly be at the central and neutral atom. Okay? But however, here it won't be in a, it won't coincide. Understood this or not? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sir, I did not
So
understand.
these electrons are there now, man. Just
Yes,
like
sir.
center of mass, there will be center of charge. How to find
Yes.
that means Q into the position vector R1 bar, next electron into R2 bar. If you calculate that you will get the center of negative charge from some origin. Okay,
Yes.
if we take this origin, for example, this origin, this is charge into this is R1, this is charge into R2, charge into R3. You do all this, and the center of positive charge. The center of negative charge coincides with center of positive charge for a neutral atom. Understood this? That's why it has no dipole moment. When you bring any other charge here, the electrons, suppose I am bringing a positive charge, the electrons will be attracted towards this positive charge. Therefore, center of charge will change. It won't be here coinciding with this. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So here what happens exactly is, see, you don't unnecessarily create your own theories that electrons will come make friendship with this, all that. There will be polarization, dipoles will become. This is negative, positive, center of negative charge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, if you observe carefully, this positive and negative will combine now. They are bonded now.
Yes, sir.
So left side, what is left? This side, negative charges. What is left over here? Positive charge. That is what we actually show like this. So don't think that all protons will come there. Nonsense. Don't lead all that. Protons with positive charge will go this negative. They won't go anywhere. They'll be there only. How can protons come out and go to the right side, man? So this is the, when we show like this, remember, keep in mind, this is actually what happens. Okay, these are still binded. This is again binded to this. This is binded to this, binded to this, binded. Okay, we are just showing only the part of what is left over. These are still there. Understood this? All these are dipoles.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you can see a neutral body has been polarized like this. Now what happens is, this is positive, this is negative. Which is nearer? This is nearer or this is nearer?
Negative charge is
Sir. Negative
So that
charge.
means attraction will be more, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What will dominate?
Sir, the attraction force, attractive forces dominate.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Electron into its position vector, next electron into its position vector. If you do all that, you will get center of negative charge. Similarly, the protons into the position vector, it will get center of positive charge. In a neutral atom, these two centers must coincide so that the net type. Remember, in chemistry, you have studied delta minus, delta plus something you studied, remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Remember.
The whole story is this: when you bring an external charge, then the center of charge, electrons will not stay in there, they'll get attracted towards this. But still they are binded to the nucleus. That is the reason why polarization will take place. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir. Please. 1 minute.
Now suppose you learned in from book that positive charge will go that side, negative charge will come this side. You have some chapter called capacitors. There you will feel lot of difficulty because conceptually you understood wrong here. This is needed there in capacitors. Every point I am explaining is related to one chapter in future. So I am just giving all the basics for understanding that. So just concentrate on that. Again, don't ask all these basic questions when I am teaching that chapter. Now only you can understand and ask the doubt. Shall I turn this?
Sir, sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
how can we tell this? We can tell negative charge is shifted to right, sir. We cannot tell like that, no, sir. So, how we are telling that?
What I didn't understand.
That means in this plate, no, sir, in this surface,
Hmm.
negative charge is completely concentrated on this left side, no, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
How we can tell that, sir? Means negative charge is shifted to left side. Like that, we
No
can.
man, these electrons are shifted. Suppose I keep a charge here, external charge, they're attracted towards this now.
Yes, sir. They are attracted.
That means position vectors have decreased in length now. That means negative charge comes this side now.
Yes, sir. Negative charge
This
comes.
is for one atom. There many atoms are there now
Yes, sir.
in a material.
Yes, sir.
So it will be shifted like this. Every atom, the polarization takes place like this. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that these are again closer. They get binded. Binded means they're closer. So obviously they'll be attracted towards each other. Agreed on that?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Agreed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
So from this, what you have learned, man? Attraction can take place between shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
So we can say that do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Both the bodies are similarly charged.
Repulsion cannot take place between
Uh, Between dissimilar charges. Two dissimilar charges.
a charged and uncharged body.
Yes. Yes.
Therefore, what is the true test for electrification?
Sir, keep a neutral body this charged body.
Is repulsion. Understood this?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Because attraction can take place even between a charged and neutral body.
Yes, sir. Sir. Sorry, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
For attraction or repulsion, any one of the body should be charged, sir.
No. For attraction, one body charged and other is uncharged, you will get. But repulsion, you cannot get unless both bodies are charged.
Yes, sir.
You cannot have repulsion between a charged body and uncharged body.
Yes, sir. Sir. Written, sir. Sorry, sir. My question mistakes. Yes. Understood, sir. Great.
Any doubts are that till here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Right, then we'll meet in next class tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir, a negative
Hmm.
charge body and neutral body were also attract, sir.
Pardon?
A negative body and neutral body were also attract.
Yes, definitely. Suppose you keep a negative charge here. See, the logic is same. This is negative, no? So what happens? The center of negative charge will go away or farther. Suppose this is our electrons are there. If you keep a charge which is negative, electrons will go farther. That means the center of negative charge will come this way. So here the situation will be like this. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now these will be bonding nearer, no? So this is left. So again attraction takes place now because this is nearer now compared to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nearer. Negative charge is nearer.
Hmm.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir. Clear.
Right.
Center
So
of negative charge.
so tomorrow we shall start little bit numericals also. Okay? Right
Yes, sir.
then. Take
Okay,
care.
sir.
Bye.